Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to use Hyperlapse camera mode in Samsung Galaxy A9. Now record scenes such as passing people or cars and view them in fast motion video. So to use this mode, on the home screen tap on camera icon. To access the modes of camera app, swipe the screen towards right. Select Hyperlapse. Now tap on this icon to select a speed. In it, you can use different options from 4x, 8x, 16x and 32x. Or if you want to set the frame rate to auto, then select auto and the device will automatically adjust the frame rate according to the changing rate of the scene. Now let's see how it works. For this, let's place an object. Tap on Start button to start recording. Tap on Stop button to stop recording. Now to view the recorded video, tap on the preview thumbnail and tap on the video. So now, record scenes and enjoy them in fast motion with Hyperlapse camera mode of Samsung Galaxy A9. Hope this video was a great help. Thank you for watching.